Hi guys, today I am going to share why to trade in stock market. What are the benefits of trading in stock market? The first important benefit is you need minimum investment to start. Like normal business, you need lot of money. Here with minimum money, you can start the business. The second advantage, it takes minimum time to trade. In one day, you can open a Demat account and you can start trading. Like other business, it takes times for legal compliance and all that. So it's very easy to trade. Third, there is a greater liquidity. You can liquidate stock at any point of time, and within next 3 to 4 days you will get your money back. Fourth, you can learn how to make profit out of stock market. Correct? So like you are watching my video right now. So like this, there is a lot of material available which will help you to get the knowledge and invest properly. Then it's a best instrument to beat the inflation, because we have to invest so that we can beat the inflation. So I feel this is the better instrument which will beat inflation and it will help you to grow better. And the last, in stock market you get benefits in 3 forms. You get dividend, you get bonus, and plus there is a capital appreciation. So guys, don't think and start investing in good stock which will make your retirement proper and better. Thank you so much.